but he is documented as being a stalker and a harasser of me, and there's an active court order and peace order against him right now that will criminalize him if he violates that peace order. Yeah? You see? So yeah, the law firm was very excited about that. Law firms, and my lawyer was in there cooking because they knew this case was very important just for the legal precedent. So they went in there extra cooking. The lawyers, they went in there cooking heavy. You see? So that's what it is. So shout out to the lawyers. Shout out to the state of Maryland. Shout out to them. And then on top of that, they extended the peace order, so it's extended more months now. Sometimes you need to quit when you're behind. Yeah. Sometimes you gotta quit when you're behind.